Queens, this is Renee from Sunflowers and Honey Pots. This week I'm going to show you guys how to tie this fantastic side bow with the head wraps. So go and grab a head wrap and meet me right back here at Sunflowers and Honey Pot Studio. See you in a bit. Hey Queens, welcome back. Okay, it is 1,000 degrees out here in Los Angeles, so I am going to suffer and glow, more like sweat, through this tutorial because I don't want to turn on my air conditioner. It is super loud. You will not be able to hear me over it, so glow I shall do. And I also want to take a moment and show you guys these Scully caps that I wear underneath my head wraps. I always, talk about protecting your hair. This is it. Don't know if you can see it. Check it out. It's just a skull cap. Get in 1,000 different colors, and it literally protects your hair under the wraps, because if you're using the cottons, they will dry your hair out. So I always stress protect your natural hair. Okay, anyway, let's get started with this tutorial. So you're going to get a head wrap. This one right here is called the Jig. This is on my website. It's cute. It's bright pink and green with little splashes of brown on it, and it's Jig, J-I-G. The website, www.sunflowershoneypots.com. Oh my God, it's the heat. I blame the heat. Anyway, let's get started. So you're gonna take your head wrap. Okay, fold it in about 1/3. Like I say that on all my tutorials, but you don't want to fold it in halfway. You want it to be about 1/3 way in. So you can see that's where the crease is, about there. This folded part is going to come across your forehead, okay? So we're going to lay that down like that. Sorry, you're going to get some of this LA noise because I live on a busy street. So you're going to tie it down, all right? Just secure it to your head. So I'm going to tie that down one time. Try to turn the sides so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, got it down. You want to get it down tight to where it's comfortable but not popping the blood vessels in your head. And just like the Zobo that I posted, I think that was last month or so, you're just going to tie a bow. So you're going to take your ends and tie a bow like you're tying your shoe. Like that. This, pull it through. Again, I'm just tying a bow. Alright, now the ends, the actual parts of the bow, you need to fluff those out. So that's where it makes it look super fancy, or like you're wearing a crown, like I like to say. You guys wear crowns. They're not head wraps, they're crowns. So you want to fan that out like that, and then take part of the other piece and fan that out. And since this is wax fabric, again, this you can sculpt and kind of make it into your own thing, but you do it however you like, however you see fit, however full you want it, however non-full you want it, totally up to you, but it's literally just a bow. And manipulate, twist, tuck, pull, whatever you want to do, and voila, that's it. The side bow. That is it. You could also do this with the my solid print head wraps that are 100% cotton. It'll be a softer fall, but it will work, as well as with the chiffon. So that is it. Thank you for joining me this week. Stay cool out there in this pandemic, and look out for more tutorials coming soon. Have a good one.